Hello, it's your girl Clenelm and welcome to my channel. What I have for you today is not just new, but it's spicy and Suya-licious. So without further waste of time, let's get it started. First, the ingredients, which are some Suya or chichinga powder, flour, milk, some stock cube, a mixture of ginger, garlic, onion, and pepper, turkey breast, and some bacon and fries, which I'll present to you later on. Don't forget to check the description box for all the quantities, and if you do not have some of these ingredients, I normally write some alternatives there as well. So let's start by pounding on the turkey until it gets as thin as it can get. And when it's thin enough, I'm going to cut it into 2 equal parts, because this is obviously too huge for one single bread. Let's now create the marinade, and I'm going to use these ingredients, but feel free to experiment with ingredients of your own choice. So to that, I'm going to add some stock cube, some salt, and about a half glass of milk. So the marinade has to be enough to be able to immerse the meat in it, and I realized that what I used, as in the quantity of the milk, was not enough, so I added a little bit more. Now let's add about 3 teaspoons of suya powder. When it comes to the suya powder, you can buy yours from the market or you can make this at home. I have a recipe for that and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So if you care, just check it out. Time to immerse the turkey breast in the marinade, making sure it gets everywhere. We're going to close this, leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes before we start frying. I'm going to take advantage of the time that the meat is in the fridge to prepare the next steps. And what I'm going to do now is to break a couple of eggs, add some salt, and another teaspoon of, guess what? Suya powder. Yay! Then I'm going to whisk, and I think I'm going to transfer it into a larger bowl because I need space for the meat. So after the egg, is now time for the flour, and I'm going to add 4 full tablespoons of flour, mixed together with 2 tablespoons of, guess what again? Yeah, some more suya powder, and this time stock cube is going to be part of the mixture, and some salt because we need that flavor, honey. I don't know about you, but to me, ain't no party without some sauce. So I normally create mine with some sriracha and mayonnaise. So just add equal parts of sriracha and mayonnaise mixed together to create your sauce as well. Yeah, it's that easy. By now, I'm sure the 30 minutes have gone by, so I'm going to check my timer, and yeah, I was right. So let me just take the meat out, and now what I'm going to try to do is to coat the meat with, first I'm going to immerse it into the egg and then incorporate it into the flour. Time to fry. We're going to fry this for about 2 minutes per side. Needless to say, I already had my oil on fire and waited for it to be well heated before frying. Just saying, you never know. Now the crunch test, and as you can see, it's crunchy. Let's move on. So let's now fry our bacon, and we can at this point start preparing the bread as well. So let's do this. We're almost there. Hard work really pays off. It wasn't that hard, but you know what I mean. So yeah, food is ready. I hope you love what you see, and I can guarantee it tastes as good as it looks. So if you love what you saw, or if you like what you see, please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking and sharing. And hey, let me also know what you think in the comment section below. Till next time, to the next recipe, it's bye bye for now.